I wanted to create a picture to display within my Christmas decor at work. Instead of buying one, I decided to repurpose a frame that I purchased from Dollar Tree and had not used. I also used buffalo plaid scrapbook paper, brown craft paper, a foam brush, and Mod Podge. I covered the front side of the glass only with the craft paper since the back will be facing the wall. I used my Cricut to cut out the initial and added it to the paper. This design turned out great and can be customized to be included in any color scheme. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.